video. So today's video is a little interesting and something different. We are going to show you our Amazon must-haves. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that I have is so random but so useful for me. So it's this salad bowl slash serving bowl sort of a thing. It is for 195 rupees. I love the print, the marble print, and it's so useful. I literally have all of my meals in this. Like जो मुझे ऐसे spoon से या fork से खाना होता है, I have it in this. It is so convenient, so good quality. This is of plastic. So yeah, this is number one. Y'all should definitely check it out.
So for me, I have heard a lot of people talking about wooden combs and I wanted to try. So I got these. So मैंने तो order इसका ही place किया था. इसके साथ ये free आया था. I guess 200 rupees का था. We both got it coincidentally. हम लोग ने तो बात भी नहीं की थी and we both got it coincidentally. So I've started using this. ये मैंने अब तक use नहीं किया because one is enough for me and I can see the difference. My hair does not fall after using this. मतलब अगर होता भी रहता है हल्का सा होता है, अपने बाल पे बहुत लाइट लगते हैं, मतलब वो प्लास्टिक वाले कोम्स ना कभी कभी लगते हैं, ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता है. I see a difference between a plastic comb and a wooden comb. So yeah.
Okay, so the next product that I have, I think I've mentioned this in one of the favorites videos as well earlier. It's this mini vlogging tripod. This is for 600 rupees and it's a genius product, trust me. So ये ऐसे ऊपर होता है and if you want to shoot YouTube videos or horizontal videos, you can keep the clip like this. And if you want to shoot like IGTV or Reels, you can shoot like this, which is great because the tripod that I'm using right now, उसमें वो mobile stand अलग से लगाना पड़ता है and it's just a lot of hassle. So it comes with a mini wireless Bluetooth remote which you just have to connect with your phone, and even if you have your phone like dur, you can just click it and it will click the picture or start the video or end the video for you, which again I think is genius. आपको बार बार उठ के वो click नहीं करना पड़ता if you're shooting alone. And also that is not it, this goes up to a really long height as well. It has legs over here जो ऐसे tight कर सकते हैं and it's pretty sturdy, it's good quality. It's not only good for vlogging but आप in general videos भी shoot कर सकते हो इससे. So yeah, if you are a budding YouTuber or an influencer and you don't want to invest in like really expensive tripods, if you're just starting out, I think this is a really good option to go for. And it's so tiny. आप पर्स में भी डाल सकते हो if you're vlogging or if you're going out. So yeah, check this out.
The next thing which I have is actually from the very famous store called as Miniso, but it is also now available on Amazon, which has become so good. So actually Urvi gifted this to me on my birthday. So this says it's a cosmetic accessory, facial cleansing gloves. So this is how it looks like. पहले मैंने ये देखा ना तो मैंने कहा कितना हार्ड है, just touch ये जब सूख जाता है ये बहुत हार्ड है. So like I was very skeptical ये कैसा होगा, but when you put your makeup remover in it and आप निकालो 1 मिनट में सब कुछ निकल जाता है, like सब कुछ, and you don't have to also wash it अलग से with shampoo or anything like that. उसको बस पानी से आप wash कर दो and your makeup is removed. I have used this so many times.
But ये गंदा भी नहीं हुआ यार, like it's such a light color.
Exactly, there's just a little stain over here, but उतना तो this is because of a liquid lipstick. तो वो थोड़ा बहुत तो होने वाला, और I am okay this getting ganda also if it removes my makeup very well. That is good, and this was just for 200 rupees. So आपके कितने cotton pads बच रहे,
I know, right? And environment way में भी this is much better.
Yeah, exactly. So this is really nice.
Okay, so the next item that I have is again so random but so useful actually. So it's a pair of metal straws. I bought it for 135 rupees. एक स्ट्रेट वाली स्ट्रॉ है और एक थोड़ी ऐसी फैंसी है बेंट वाली, एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ ब्रश क्लेंजर. एंड 135 rupees में आई थिंक दिस इज ग्रेट. यू डोंट हैव टू लाइक रीपर्चेज दिस. दिस इज नेवर गोना गो बैड. इट्स रियली गुड फॉर द एनवायरमेंट.
So the next thing which I have is again very random, but it was very famous earlier, but we never got our hands on it that time, but we have it right now. It is an ice roller. First of all, it looks so luxurious and ऐसा नाम सुन के oh my god, ice roller and all that, it feels fancy. I had bought it around 350 rupees. अभी हमने Amazon पे check किया तो it is 490 rupees. The prices of everything is just going to fluctuate because Amazon के prices fluctuate होते रहते हैं. But guys, this is really good. मैं इसको हमेशा अपने फ्रीजर में ही स्टोर करके रखती हूँ एंड आई यूज इट इन द मॉर्निंग्स व्हेन यू नो यू हैव पफी आईज. अगर एक दिन पहले आप रोए हो ना और आपकी आईज सूजी हुई है ना, दिस इज रियली हेल्पफुल दैट टाइम. इट रियली depuffs your eyes and it is really good for your skin also. You know, it makes your skin awake and really good. And 350-400 rupees में it is not at all bad. It is an one time investment. You can either keep the entire thing in the freezer or you can also remove this. This is detachable. So अगर आपको अगर you know काफी लोगों के freezers बड़े नहीं होते तो उनको लगता है इतना बड़ा रखने का, तो you know you can just detach this and keep that.
Okay, so the next item is a home decor item. It's this really pretty round mirror with golden detailing. It also has like a support thing where you can place it. So it's a table mirror basically. So I just redecorated a small part of my vanity and I was looking for golden accents to it. So I found this. It's from a brand called as Urban Born on Amazon. I bought it for 499 rupees. It's of really great quality and all in all it does the job. It's a basic item and I saw the same mirror in Westside Home. It was a little bigger than this. It was for 1,800 rupees. And I'm like, okay. So this is for 500 and this I think is the perfect size for me as well. So yeah.
The next thing which I have is again so random. These are silk or satin scrunchies. I have so many of them. It was so inexpensive and you know, I have, if you guys can see, there's a lot of hair care products from my side because I have been trying to you know do better things for my hair. जैसे कि वो wooden comb हो गया. This silk scrunchies also. If you use normal rubber bands, आपके बाल गिरते ही है जब आप निकालते हो, but इसके साथ बिल्कुल नहीं गिरेंगे. This is really good for your hair and you know usually वो नॉर्मल रबर बैंड डालते तो वो शेप आ जाता है, वो कर्ल आ जाती है अपनी हेयर में. इससे कुछ भी नहीं होता है. These are really nice and एकदम stiff and अच्छे से रहेंगे. So yeah.
Okay, so the next thing that I have is again so random. Trust me, this is not like a must-have, but if you're just like looking to buy it, you should. So these are these fake clip-on bangs. I got it for 280 rupees, and they are of really good quality. Okay, मतलब वो cheap hair वाली feeling नहीं आती. It actually looks like real hair. I know it's creepy, but it's really good. It has like a clip-on thing. I'll just put it and show you. मैंने अभी ठीक से नहीं लगाया है.
Oh my god, this is new Urvi 2.0.
I know, right? Sorry, ऊपर से थोड़ा weird लग रहा है, but I mean अच्छा दिखता है. I've also made like an reel on this. I will leave a link to it in the description box below. But actually, it's of really great quality. Because like किसको ये permanently लगा के घूमना है, right? It's just for fun, like for pictures or something. So I think this is of really good quality. You all should check it out if you want to look funny.
The next must has is I guess everyone should have this. These are Tinkle eyebrow razors. मेरे पास फिलहाल सिर्फ एक ही है इसमें, but this was a pack of 3. Again इसका प्राइस बहुत फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है. Urvi got it for 90 rupees. I got it for 250 rupees. Amazon, I need to you know they need to fix this thing. This is irritating. But anyways, these are really good. These are not the best ones. I guess ये ना original Tinkle नहीं है to be very honest. But जो मिलता है मैं तो उसी से काम चला लेती हूँ अच्छा से. I don't need basically for my you know side locks and all that. So it does work for me. So yeah.
Then the last product that I have is again a home decor item. As I said, I was redecorating my vanity a bit and I was looking for products that have golden accents to them. So I found this really pretty tray. It's a mirror tray with golden detailing. This is from a brand called as Ruhi Collections on Amazon. This one is for 499 rupees and it's of great quality. It just makes everything look so luxurious and you can store your jewelry in it. I keep like my jade roller and my perfume and candle and everything. The pretty looking items basically that I want to show off. So इसको like straight रख के आप mirror जैसे भी use कर सकते हो. So it's pretty fancy but very good quality. They have a lot of different shapes and sizes as well. So you all should definitely check it out. Okay. गया आधा घंटा गया.
Okay. Is this cat massager? Massager? What's wrong?
This is going on the video. I'm the one editing it. So.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not laughing.
The next thing which I have is this massager. This is a scalp massager. When you shampoo your hair, you use this. This will help you to remove your dandruff, and this will really help you to clean your skin really well. This was again very inexpensive, 250 rupees ka tha. And again,
2 rupees. 2 rupees.
it was very inexpensive. This was just for 250 rupees. Again, it is a one-time investment. You have to buy it one time and it is going to last you for a long period of time. Use it only while you're shampooing for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and it will really help you to see good results for your hair.
So yeah guys, that is it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this sort of a different video.
Yeah.
We've never done anything related to Amazon.
Actually.
We should actually. We both
Yeah.
are addicted to Amazon, if you don't know that by
Exactly.
now. So let us know what other sort of videos you would like to see in the comments, and also let us know if you like this setup. We
Yeah.
would love to, shoot more videos in this setup. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon there to get notified every time we upload a new video.
And we shall see you all super duper soon. Till then, take care. Bye.